What's up YouTube, it's Cholia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a school flyer step by step. And the beauty of this tutorial is that we are not going to use any fancy software like maybe Illustrator, CorelDRAW or Photoshop or Affinity Designer. Alright, we are going to use a simple software. Okay, we are going to use an application software, and then the software I'm talking about is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, as you can see here, this is what we are going to create. Okay, and then I'm going to walk you step by step in order to achieve this. Okay, right, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to come here, then you click on insert. Then from insert you are going to insert a new slide, and then you will select a blank one. Okay, so we click here. Then this is now the size of our flyer, and if you want to know what size is this, you will just come here, click on design, and then from the design you will come to slide size. Then from the size you will click on custom size, and then you will see from here it is in A4. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm going to hide this one a little bit like so, and then I'll start designing now. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to divide this into two. So for us to know where is the middle, I'll come and click here on view, and then I'll click on guides, and then once I've clicked on guides, now I know this is the middle part. Okay, so I'll come and click here on insert, and then I'll head out to shapes. Then from the shapes I'm going to click this one, and then I'm going to drag down like so. Then I'm going to extend this one a bit until somewhere there, and then I'll click Control on my keyboard, and then I'll bring this one until here. Right, then I'm going now to adjust like so. Right, now from here I'm beginning now to change my colors, so I'll click on this one, then I'll edit to shape fill, and then I'll select a red color like that, and then this one I'll also add to shape fill, and then I had already predefined the color I want to use, so that is the color I'm going to use. Then once I've done that, now I'll click on view, and then I'm going to untick so that I'll remain like that. Then I'm going to select on this one, click on format, and then the outline shape I'm going to click on no outline, the same as this one, no outline, like so. Then once I've done that, I'm going to click here on this shape rectangle, and then I'm going to bring until here like so, and then I'm going to do like this. Let me expand it a bit so that you can see. It's like that, and then I'm going to right click here, and then I'll come to edit point, and then I'm going to drag this one until when it meets that one, and then I'm going to do some small extension until here. Right, all right, let me adjust this a bit. Let me do the adjustment like that, and then I'm going to change the color of this one, so I'll come here to shape fill, and then I'm going to use this color, and then I'm going to click here, and then I remove the outline like so. Okay, this one now looks perfect. Okay, so once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do again is to click here on view, and then I'll enable my guides so that I can know where is the middle. Now we are working on this one. Okay, like this. Now once we have done that, we are going to click on insert. Then from insert we are going to shapes, click on shapes, and then we use an ellipse tool. So I'll click on shift and control on my keyboard so that I can get a symmetrical shape. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it here, then I'm going to enlarge it a bit again. I think this way is good with me. Let me expand it a bit again like that. I bet this way is okay with me. Okay, This way is good with me. And then I'm going now to click here, and then I'll click on format, and then I'll come here to shape outline. I need it white, so I'll click white, and then the shape outline, then I'll edit weight, and then I'll select 6 to be big like that. Later on I'm going to adjust. Okay, so from here I have 2 ways of inserting a picture here. Okay, I can right click here like this, and then I'll click on format, and then from format I'll click on fill, and then from fill I'm going to select on picture or text. Then from there I'm going to select the picture from here, and then I'll go to desktop, and then I'll locate my picture from here where it is this one, and then I'm going to click on a picture here. I have a picture here that I want to use. It is this one. So, and then I'll click on insert, and then my picture will populate like that. Right, let me do some small adjustment like so. Now once I've done that, I'm going again to click on ellipse tool, and then I'll click shift and control on my keyboard again like this. Then I'm going to bring this one here, do some small adjustment, click control on my keyboard like this, control again on my keyboard, and then I'll have this one here. Right, so from here now I want to add some photos inside this ellipse tool. Okay, so as I promised you earlier, there is another way of inserting a photo here. So let me reference which photo have I put here. Okay, so it's this one and this one. Okay, now I'm going to carry my photo from the desktop. So I'll click here, click on desktop, and then click on photos. Now the photo we need to insert there, it is this one. So I'm going to drag this photo until here. Right, and then I'm going to adjust, click shift on my keyboard, I'll adjust it like that, and then I'll bring it here. Okay, let me again adjust a bit like that. Once I've done this, I'll now click on format, and then I'll say send backward. I'll send backward, send backward again, send backward like so. Once I've done that, then I need to do some small adjustment. Like this. I think this way is okay. And then I'll click shift on my keyboard while this image is clicked, and then I'll click on this one, and then I'll click on this format, and then I'll come here to merge shapes, and then I'll say intersect inside like that. And then once I've done that, I'll click again on format, and then I'll come here to picture border. I'll make it white, and then picture border again, and then the weight we are going to make it 6 like this one. So all of it has to be uniform. Right, so let's work on this one again. So I'm going to right click here, then I click on format, and then from format I'm selecting the picture. Then from the picture I'm going to select my photo. So the photo I used from the other one, I have my other images here. Then this is the photo, then I will insert. Okay, it will populate like that. Then once I've done that, I'll come here to format, then picture border, I'll make it white, and then we are going to make the weight to be 6 again. Okay, select 6 like so. So also this one, I'm going to click here, right click, format, picture, select it, and then I used which one? I used this one. Then I will insert like so, and then we click on format, picture border, then we need it white, and then picture border again, the weight of the outline we need it 6. Okay, so now as you can see, this one is touching the other one, so I'm going to push this one a bit like that, also this one like this, or let me just bring it down like that. I think this way is okay. Right, that way is okay. So let's continue. So the next thing now we need to do is to come here to insert, and then we click on shapes, and then I'm going to use this round cornered shape, and then I'm going to draw like that. And then I have this round yellow, and then I'll click like this to adjust it. Then I'll bring it here like so. Like this is okay. And then I'm going to change the color, so I'll click here on fill, and then I'm going to use this color like this one, okay. And then I'll click the outline shape, and then I'll click on no outline. Then from there I'm now going to click on text box, and then I'll click here, and then I'll type grade 6, okay. Then I'll Control A on my keyboard to select. Then I'll come here to font style, and then I need to use Montserrat. So I'll select Montserrat, and then I'm going to make it capital, so I'll click here uppercase like so, and then I'm going to adjust a bit, then I'll drag it inside here, and then Control A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to change the color to be white. Perfect. Right, now from here I will not waste time, so I'm going to copy this one, click Control on my keyboard, and then I'll bring this one here like this, and then this one I'm going to type grade. This one should be grade 5, capital grade 5. Then we do some small adjustment like so, and then again I'm going to copy this one to make my life easy, and then I'll bring this one here, and then this one we are going to make it grade 3. Okay, this is grade 4, not 3. Then I will do some small adjustment like so. Right, let me reference what I did earlier. Yeah, it's like this, okay. So once we have done that, we need now to work on other parts of the, in fact what I'm going to do now from here, so that this one can look nice, let me adjust this one a bit. I'm going to click on this shape, and then I'll come here to format. From format I'll come to text effect, and then I'll say shadow, and then I'll make the shadow to be like this, and then I'll come again to text effect, and then shadow, and then I'll come to shadow options, and then from the shadow options I'm now going to click here, and then I'll make it white. Now it is looking nice, okay. This one is now looking nice, it's no problem there. Now the next thing we need to do is now to continue populating our design with text. So I'll click here on text box, and then I will select a text box to come up to here. Let me reference what I did. It is open what? Open admission for 2022. So I'll click here. My computer is a bit lagging, I don't know what's the problem. Open admission, okay. Then Control A on the keyboard, then this one I'm going to use Bebas, and then I'm going to increase the size. I think this one is okay, and then we change the color to be white, okay. Then now I'm going to copy this one again, click Control on my keyboard and Shift like this, and then I'm going to Control A on my keyboard again, then I'll type the word for 2022. Okay, and then I'm going to change this color. I'll make this one summer orange, like so. And then from that, now once I've typed that one, I'm coming again to this shape, click here, and then I'm going to work on this one like this. And then I'm going to adjust it something of sort, okay, like this. And then I'm going to select this shape, and then I'm going to work like this. Once I've done this, I'm going to rotate it. Click here to rotate, like so. And then I'm going to bring it here. And then I'm going to make it yellow. Let's use this orange. Click on format. And then I use this orange, like that. And then click here, shape outline. Then we remove the outline. And then we are going to change this one to be red. Okay, the color should be red. And then click on shape outline to remove the outline, like so, right? And then we are going to type there, let me reference what student learn, what student learn. So let's come here, and then I'm going to select from here this text, control my keyboard, and then I'll bring it here like this. And then I'll type here what student learn. Okay, then I'm going to do some small adjustment like so. Then the color there is white, it's good. Then I'm going to select everything. Then I'll click here where it's written a capital A and small a. Then I'll click on capitalize, like that. Right now, from here, maybe we will do some small cheating. We will cheat here. Okay, I don't want to type everything. I'm just showing you the concept on how you can achieve this design. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just click here, and then I'm going to copy this one. Right click on it, then I'll copy, come to this one, and then I will paste. Right, so as you can see, this means that we are going to push our document up a bit. Let me in fact reference what was the size, because I see the size is bigger. This one is 44 and this one is 48. Okay, so I'm going to reduce, yes, to be 44. 44 looks nice, like so. Also this one should be 44. 44. And then I'm going to adjust this one. I'll push up a bit. Alright, perfect. So this one will be like that. So the next thing we need to do is now to click here and then control on the keyboard. Then we bring this one here, and then I will type here about us. About us. Control A on the keyboard to select, and then I will change this one to be the color. Okay, that is it. And then the next thing we need to do now is is to look here. I'm copying this one, but when you are designing your client, or you should have this text. I'm just trying to speed up the video. I don't want to bore you with the typing and so forth. That's why I'm copying it from my previous design. Okay, then from here I'm going to use a rectangular tool, and then I'm going to do like this, and I will make this one orange. So I'll click here and then select the color, then click here again, remove the outline like that, and then I'll reference what I wrote earlier on, YouthLink Academy. So go back here, then I'm going to select this one, copy, bring it down here, then Control A in the keyboard, and then I'll type Youth Link Academy. Okay, then I'm going to adjust this one like so. Control A in the keyboard, and then I'm going to change the color to be white, then do some small adjustment to make sure my text is in the middle, right? Then once I've done that, then I have some small text here, this text. Okay, so I'm going to click here, copy this, and then I'm going to paste it here, right, like this. So now I need to do some small adjustment to my document, right? So I'm going to push this one down, also I'm going to push this one down a bit like so, and then this one we are going to do some small adjustment here. We are going to push this one. This one should be here. This one should be here, and then also we are going to do some adjustment here. This one should be somewhere like that, right? So our design is becoming now perfect. Then let's adjust this one a bit. Let this one be big a bit like that. Okay, now from here we have another thing, so I'm going to copy this rectangle, then I'll bring it here, bring it to reach up to that one like so, and then let me just copy what I wrote earlier. I don't want to bore you with the typing, so I'm going to click on this one, copy, then bring on this one, and then I'll click paste, right? That is it, guys. So this is the design we have just created. Then there is one thing we need to do. I'll click on this one, and then I'll click on bold. Okay, I need it somehow bold. Then the other thing we need to do is now to bring the logo, this logo. So I'm going to copy the logo from here, let me copy the logo, copy, then we are bringing it here like so. Then let's copy again the wordings, like that. So guys, this is the design we have created. If you are happy with this tutorial, kindly make sure to like, share it with your friends, and then make sure to subscribe so that anytime I post a new video you will be notified. And then if you have any doubt or you need me to teach you how to do this design in PowerPoint, well, just contact me or write on the comment section and tell me what you want to learn exactly, so that I will be able to help you. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.